Oh dear. Oh, a little baby. Little baby. Huh?
You forget what they look like, don't you? You get so used to seeing them all. You forget what a baby looks like.
Got a lot of growing to do.
Look at that. She's bigger than Lola, isn't she?
Yeah, she's.
Or than Lola was.
Yeah. Well, Lola was a lot younger. Lola was only 8 weeks when I first got her.
What's her mum like? Is her mum small?